Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, if you're new to the channel, remember to like, share, and subscribe. No matter what, those in defense of the accused in the Donna Lee Donaldson murder trial, I go try, it can't work. Now, it is being rumored that the jury selection will be used to delay the murder trial. And since the accused, Noel Maitland, has not confessed and has maintained his innocence, it will be up to a jury to convict. Now, normally, one of the issues when selecting a juror is if the juror can be impartial and biased to the person accused, and if the individual has prior knowledge of the case that would probably make him unfit or her unfit to be a juror on a particular case. Now, Donna Lee Donaldson's case has had worldwide attention. Think about it. This is a case where a social media influencer, a very popular social media influencer, went missing. Law enforcement investigated the case and said that the evidence pointed to foul play on the part of her boyfriend, who is a former 13-year veteran of the Jamaica law enforcement. And of course, the case has received worldwide outrage. So of course, most jurors and most individuals who would be considered have in some way, shape or form heard about what took place with Donna Lee Donaldson. And if you ask people, the common talk is justice must be served for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And of course, with Jamaicans being fed up with the crime and violence where take place on the island, or with it being long speculated that there's parts of the criminal entity within the force itself, Noel Maitland being accused of this crime is almost like a confirmation of that, which has only added to the outrage. And when law enforcement investigated the case and presented the evidence, and because the accused was seeking bail, pieces of evidence were used, or different articles of evidence was used to stop the bail. And people get to hear about the evidence that was in the possession of law enforcement after some of these articles of evidence already being discussed on the media. So after that year, law enforcement are confirmed, say, yes, we have this, and this is being used as evidence. And not only was the public convinced of the accused's guilt, the judge presiding over the bail hearing decided to say, no, she not grant no bail, no matter what the defense say. And when the defense goes as far as to try to point out, say he was a member of law enforcement and he is not a flight risk and things of that nature, the judge presiding over the bail hearing say, watch you man, his years within the force was used to commit the crime and cover it up. These are all serious and very strong charges. And with the bail judge already convinced of the accused guilt, or even the fact that based on all the evidence look, it wasn't good. You might have witnesses in the case. You have things of that nature. You have people who step forward, give them testimony, we actually reside where the accused resides. It wouldn't good. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Should jury selection be an issue? We're not see how that could be an issue, when there's never been an issue for all of the other high profile cases that have been before the courts or are still before them now. So if this is a tactic that's going to be used by Maitland, we don't say it's going to work. People are still saying that he should have pled guilty by Barnett and cooperated, but Maitland has maintained his innocence, saying he did not commit the act in question. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Of course, drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories that are making headlines today. Now, speaking of law enforcement, I couldn't hear from L.A. Lewis about a conversation that he had with a member of law enforcement. And we must say about the wages. And across the globe, we know so this is an issue. And this is always cited as one of the reasons why members of law enforcement get involved in criminal activity. And the wages are the lack thereof. I couldn't hear what go on, and then we continue the reasonation. I want to look, and of course, I want to listen.
Oh, Andrew, well, this guy in bed at night time, people go sleep. People, imagine me have a police friend, people, who come check me the other day. And the man come check me and say, I borrow 10,000 from me, the people. Because the man say, I forgot to pay off him light bill. And I say, how much your light bill? The man tell me, say, light bill of $40,000. But I say, squaddy, when you're not there home, when your light bill come to $40,000. And man say, boy, Emperor, every month that it come for. Them say they pity them. So but me say, but they pity them not going to school. So how much light bill pity them? Can you know everything nowadays people are inverter. The TV them now have inverter in them. The computer them have inverter in them. You understand? So the light bill people is Godzilla-rific. I mean it's a giant gorilla people, the light bill them people. So if police, no, talk about the police and people, because it might sound like enough money to the local man who get 9,000 a month, you know. But the police and people get 100,000 for them pay people, which work out to about $600 people US. So when you get $600 every month for your pay people, and your light bill alone come to 40,000 people, and you're not talking about food in your house, and you're not talking about the people them lunch money for the. Been know people immediately buy a box food for $1,000 people. And your minimum wage at $9,000 a week. People don't check out that no man. 5 day alone with a box food no people. At 10,000, no 5,000 of that. At 5,000 of that no people. 5 box food for $1,000 a day no people. At 5,000 Jamaican dollar that you know. And then you know you buy the juice. If you want to buy a Guinness or a beer at $200 that are one people. Or Guinness $102. I don't know people can, I don't know. So people, oh, Andrew only sleeping in bed because the emperor can't sleep in bed, people. Then we got the plaster polish, man. My mother used to make them. Yes, I used to paint them and then we used to spray them. Yes, and then we go sell them and then we used to go down a separate and we used to go take out, skim the oil off of the water tap and then we go boil the oil and we put some caustic soda in it and then we turn it in a soap named Rude Boy soap. How are there people? Grand Rising, my people, Grand Rising. Linda, you have to say good morning means good morning. It is Grand Rising. You understand? So they say the people. So the children them and people for live happy people. You have to look what food to feed the world people. So nobody else will say they're hungry. I don't know.
Why you take us now?
Well, Linda, I'm stressed. Andrew will stress me out. Stress. Why people if you don't comment and tell me what I think?
Now, of course, wages is definitely an issue. I want to think about crime and violence and criminal activity that take place on the island. Far too often, we see members of law enforcement either accused or charged or even convicted for being a part of criminal activity. And someone that said this is motivated by the wages. And it's the same thing for regular civilians. The reason why crime and violence and certain types of corruption is prevalent in certain parts of the world are because people feel like the wages not enough. And they have to do other things on the side just to make up the money. And maybe the statement if you look at that too. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.